Hey guys, good morning. Kumusta po kayong lahat? It's me, DJL Sports TV, nagbabalik mga idol. So for today's video mga idol ay magre-react po tayo at pag-uusapan natin itong nakarang laban ni Cuadrolas Jan del Casimero dito kay Duke Maika na taga-Ghana. Kung saan mga idol, talagang napakalupit po itong nangyari. So hopefully na ma-appreciate nyo po itong video ito mga idol at magre-react po tayo dito kung paano naging halimaw si Cuadrolas Casimero dito kontra kay Duke Maika ng taga-Ghana. Undefeated po ito mga idol. So courtesy by Anything, no? Supportan po ninyo ang YouTube channel ni Idol Anything. Hopefully okay lang po na nag-react po tayo. So please support this channel Anything. Lagay ko na lang po yung link sa description mga idol. Tara, panoorin natin mga idol at magre-react po tayo after natin mapanood ang video. Tara, let's go mga idol.
Well, for Duke Maika, as we take a look at our tail of the tape, to me, I mean, they're all pretty evenly matched. Look, 117.
Of the action, Steve Willis. Here is the hard-hitting, world-ranked, undefeated Duke Maika Casimero.
Protect yourself at all times, right? Circle in here, all right? Tap gloves, let's go to work.
Supporting his fellow country. Nice.
Right your head.
Nice left hook.
These types of fights, championship bouts, rhythm. Whereas Maika, because a guy like Casimero, seasoned veteran, a champion, like you said, in
Duke Maika. Overhand right by Maika. Dodges in and out. A lot of punches. He's a world champion 3 trajectory. He continues to move up and stands.
Left hook to the body. Casimero mga
Yes, it's how frustrating it's been because of COVID. You see a big one with Inoue, and then that falls through.
Ang lupit lang talaga.
Can't look. He had a jab and he threw that right hand over it, but by Duke Maika, that's never.
Tama si Jan del
Careful with a guy like that.
The body backing up. Casimero.
Don't let him throw stupid punches and come over top.
For 13 years. Forward is Duke Maika entering back though as
And Maika his own, and he probably had the best. The jab, set it up with the overhand right. That really like what you've seen going toe-to-toe so far with the champ.
Casimero willing to fight on the inside. Casimero was favored.
halos kapareho lang sila ng
Making think twice when he's coming in.
Nice left hook followed by
7,
ayun!
8.
Natamaan.
You all right?
and now Casimero looking for the finish.
Tie up Casimero and just survive.
Took. Maika still hurt.
Yeah, Maika is
So Maika. Back comes Casimero.
just so off right now.
Gave a long look at the Ghanaian, a right to the Casimero, picking up the pace again. Teeing off on a shot. What a turnover. Pounded away on Maika. Maika sticks his tongue out.
Right here, you see, I don't even think Maika saw this knockdown. That little left short, quick left hook. And
From the doctor's standpoint,
you can see Maika's still off balance right now.
he's backing away as Maika circuits you, so it takes a little bit of a reaction.
He's just loading up on all of his punches.
Casimero has his legs totally underneath him. Left to the body, followed by a right wing. One arm push-ups wants to get more of a workout.
And I think 1 or 2 big punches, and Willis was right there, and just right on the chin, man.
And the winner by way of technical knockout, John Riel Casimero.
Yan po, supportahan po natin si Anything sa kanyang video mga idol nung laban ni Cuadrolas Jan del Casimero dito kay Duke Maika. Dito po mga idol makikita po natin kung saan dito mga idol si Cuadrolas ay talagang bakit kamo mga idol na uhaw siya dito pagkatapos ng panalo niyo dito kay Sulani Titi. At ito po yung voluntary po sa dito kay Duke Maika dahil po ang naka-schedule ng laban nila ni Naoya Inoue 2020 ay hindi natuloy. Kaya naghahanap nun sila. I think almost 8 months or mga something ganun, 1 year ata nag-antay sila na makakalaban talaga si Naoya Inoue. Pero sadly, hindi po talaga pumunta si Naoya Inoue. Maraming mga dahilan. Oo, pero sabi nga nila, natakot daw tong si Naoya Inoue. Kaya, ayun, hindi tumuloy sa laban. At dito nga mga idol, nakita natin na si Doc Maika ang pinagbalingan po ng talagang galit ni Cuadras Casimero kung manuntok si Alas. Parang no? Parang pansibag lang si Doc Maika. Pero nakakatama ang solido si Doc Maika. Hindi yun basta-basta undefeated yun. Yun nga lang, talagang matigas talaga si Cuadras Casimero. Bakit ka mo mga idol? Ito kasi mga idol kampante si Cuadras kasi medyo pareho sila ng tangkad, no? Pareho sila kalaki. Kaya hindi siya nag-hesitate na talagang makipag-bordagulan. Hindi kagaya doon kay noong nakarang laban niya. Actually, pareho lang, no? Nakipag-sabayan talaga siya at talagang sinusugod niya itong si Uguni. Yun nga lang mga idol, nakita niya na talagang sa round 2, sa round 1 talagang sinugod niya, pero pagdating sa round 2 mga idol, nakita niya na medyo matigas-tigas si Uguni at matangkad, mayroong jab. Talagang matatamaan siya. Talagang inaral niya kung paano. At doon nga mga idol sa round 2 ay nasibay double si Uguni. Yun nga mga idol. At nakita natin dito mga idol, kung si Naoya Inoue makakalaban, halos pareho sila kalaki. Diyan po, komportable si Cuadras Casimero dyan mga idol. Lalong-lalo na kung magkakaroon ng strength conditioning coach. Siyempre provided ng manager at saka promoter mga idol. Depende sa kanilang buong team. So, para sa akin mga idol, talaga naman pong makikita natin mula pa noon mga idol kay Kinya Yamashita hanggang ngayon, wala pa pong talo ang ating pampato ng si Cuadras Casimero. So kayo mga idol, ano masasabi nyo sa laban na yon? Talaga namang nakaka-amaze, di ba? So please comment down below mga idol para pag-uusapan natin. Please, huwag mo kalimutan pa-like and subscribe sa ating video mga idol, lalong-lalo na ang may-ari ng video si the owner, si Mr. Anything. Okay? Hanggang dito lang mga idol. Maraming salamat. God bless po.